her. Look on this a slutty man, brother. Look on him and his makeup look like a fucking dead man. Look on that. But I'm not bother black them, man. Just go back in the comment section. Just make a go through. All this a woman here, we call herself George Buckley. Bridging me there, so I want ball to bomb clock, brother. People, you know, so that big, dirty, old, tough woman here, Monica. That woman here, that dirty woman here named George Buckley, brother. You see that time I stay very, very bomb clock far from people, Bridging. People so fucking wicked in this fucking earth, brother. I'm gonna delete that TikTok here after today. I feel like I need to delete that TikTok here. I'm gonna delete it after today. I'm gonna delete my TikTok account. You know, say that woman named Georgette Buckley, brother. You know, say, I have my store. You know, say one day I'm there up a yard. And I see one foreign number call me, Virgin. And the person call down my phone, brother. Normally people not call business number because it's an online store. The person call. So I not decline, I not answer WhatsApp call for my business number, brother. Period, I not do that. You get me, I said? And anyways now, me end up declining something. So I say, hi, good day, how may I help you? The person say, there are somebody from Instagram that named Georgette. So I say, Georgette, them say Georgette Buckley. And they would like to support my business. So I say, okay, fine, no problem. They say, do you have a website? I say, no, not yet. We're working on a website. The person end up, I send the person the Instagram and send them some pictures, some stuff when I have in my inventory and tell them what size you go up to and stuff like that. And she said, alright, she go want something. She's not a young girl. And this is a bumbo-clot big woman, you know, brother. This is not a young girl, you know. This is a big blood clot woman with daughter and children and pit, you know, brother. This is not a mega post or fucking picture too. I mean, I care if TikTok one black me, you know, brother. Someone if it dead and fuck off, you know, virgin. Cause nobody, no for right people. So as big bumbo clot woman as a big dirty woman named Georgette Buckley, where did I call down my fucking phone? You have Pitney and Grand Pitney. And you're the pan mix up page and ride me too? Eh? See the bitch, yeah? Go up on our picture. That woman here. See bitch here. See her here. See dirty oar there. I'm come on for that green screen here. And no can do me nothing at all. Now hide my bumbo clot background because I'm not bother bumbo clot. See it here? See him there? A two. But they on live on the phone. I'm going to call out her number on the live too. So I could know her number. But I on the phone when I on now. The number in the WhatsApp. Anyways, after the lady, they text me and she always like she had text me personal and I text me say, you know, like I try to get personal with me, but me is a business-minded, business-head person. You see one time people text me on my business page, me not chatting with them. In the most polite way, me not make it clear. Me just do business with you. Me not really need to stray from business. Me not care where you know me from. I'm a business person. Me not have no conversation. Me not mix up. Me not do gossip on them something there. So it's like me notice that she a try to stray, but anyway, she's like, oh, I'm going to ask my daughter to look on the things them, and she will pick out what she want and them something there and try to get her daughter because she as according to she's an older woman and she not really wear them something. Yeah. You get me? I say so I say, alright then no problem. Anyways now, she come one day and say she wants something. It's so weird. Me never did send her the Zelly information and the cash app information. And if you see the video that we put up with our fiance, who put up video with my fiance? Is there something happening that I don't know about? Wow. This is jealousy. And this jealousy make you do. And this make you get up and do them something at the local ring. I this me gonna get up and do this? Me bumble ass clot, brother. This is not even close to my fiance. So 4 days after me get proposed to, Uno, cause this is not more than one, it's more than one Uno, you know. Uno get up and Uno make one fake page, take to them one random email off of the internet. And this is an older woman, right? Take down one random stud off of the internet, post up the person, and I bring down my fiance. My fiance, light skin, right? This person is a black person, darker skin tone, right? My fiance has on tattoos. And you, with your sad self, 4 days after my engagement, and what could make me do something like this? I don't know. I could never be this bitter, and I could never be this low ever in life. Not even my lowest ex them would I never go to them way for them something. Yeah. I'm gonna talk to some awful, terrible man in my past life. But you don't know a woman, and you don't see a woman get engaged, and you don't take down a random just to bring down the person. It is so sad. Me animal. And then secure not dead, you know, brother. See my friend beside me, you know. Water come on my bumbo clock here, bridging. And my friend in my car beside me tell me when she did it here. And she's my witness. I asked her to text them when I sent to her phone and she tell me say that girl died. When me see the whole of a rally and I talk about say I must see me hurt the girl. You know what me they feel for months and weeks. Me lock up in my house because me I say me always I talk about them dirty nasty boy where I walk and do things to us women and things that me go through with man. Me could have never feel good for years so something like that I'm to no girl at all. And when a girl can sit down and like up them comments and gaslight the idea say me, Kyhighlah Renee Ramsey, do something to a bumbleclad woman like myself, it show a lot and it speak volume. And when they can come back again, and you're there, and you laugh, and you bring down, and you're on a fake page and bring me down. With my engagement, it's like you wish me failure. You wish me fall for my bumbleclad face so bad. And then no one can talk about me should have post blood clad Pitney. Eh? I kind of good in the one for no one children them, brother. I don't want a friend after today. I unfollow every bomber clad body panda up here. I probably delete my fucking page after today. You hear that? I don't want a friend for nobody. I see clearly say, I don't wish death upon this little girl alive. To see my ancestors and my family, them well spiritual. None of you can bumbleclad take what is mine. And none of you, no matter how much bumbleclad black magic and science you do, none of you cannot bring me down. You hear me say? And I know not fight me. I see me I work at Taboo, I drop off a bumbleclad poor brother, I nearly lose my fucking life, virgin. You hear that? Because you not see me a certain way when you can pity me. Me a strong bumbleclad girl, born to survive and born to live. When I come talk about Pitney, eh? Me and somebody too. A girl like me was staying in my fucking house every fucking day and I fight people so. You hear that? Me, no for in no back and forth with no bumbleclad body so. Cause me not going to people way, bridging. Me stay far from fucking people. Me isolate myself so till it all bother me mentally. Sometimes me not really talk to people, bridging. Me not talk. My little piece of TikTok and them something me come and me do my little unboxing them something help with me cause me not really talk like that. Me not have much friends in my corner and in my circle. Me not do people, brother. Me stay far from people. And me stay far from bumbleclad. The more me stay far, me still not try to tear me down and not push force and bumbleclad effort and I use everything on the body to bring me down. Not gonna talk about Pitney, eh? I post Pitney. Fuck you and your fucking not a bitch. Fuck you.